Hey everyone, welcome to another unboxing video, and today I have for you something special, and this is coming from Japan, and I ordered a special limited edition PSP, and this was one of the first PSPs I ever wanted that was limited edition and a variant of the PSP console, so I thought might as well get this one to start off the limited edition variants that I would like to start collecting. And this is going to be the first one, so very excited to open this box. And before we do, I want to share with you this PS2 Initial D special stage that I picked up on eBay, and the seller did a great job on shipping it on time and making sure that the game was in this nice protective sleeve or whatever. And I have a link to their store in the description down below. Thank you so much for providing an awesome fast shipping, and they focus on import games from Japan, so if you're looking for some special titles like this one, you can go and check out their eBay store. In no way am I sponsored. I just want to help these sellers and just let them know that I am appreciative of their hard work. So let's dive into this unboxing. And big shout out to the seller that sent this fairly quickly. Well, it got here pretty fast, but it took a couple of days, about a week, for this seller to ship. And I did take out the address, a piece of paper that was in here. And they've used some kind of, never seen this kind of tape on a box before. It's like, it's kind of like duct tape. But yeah. The seller wanted me to review the purchase, but I told him, hey, I want to do an unboxing video. I haven't gotten time to really do it. Been busy with doing all sorts of other stuff. Alright, so here we go. Wow, look at that. So it says, thank you for your purchase. We mainly sell Japanese game consoles and game software. If there's any item you're looking for, please feel free to let me know. I will do my best to find it for you. Also, I have left you positive feedback, so please do the same. Once you receive the item, well, have fun. eBay store. There it is, guys. The eBay store. Lucky Anzu, Japan. And I'll make sure to have that in the description. Oh, nice. They even wrote something in Japanese for me with some custom flowers and everything. Thank you so much. This means a lot to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Pleasure to do business with you. Now, this PSP was considered junk due to the game software not working. Oh man, I'm so excited. Look at this packaging that they did. This is awesome. I've been dying to do this unboxing video, but I've just been so busy with other stuff and been dying to get my hands on this box. I guess I could just kind of just lift it like this. There we go. Look at all that bubble wrap. Move this out of the way. Just want to make sure I take my time on this unboxing. Wow. Yeah, I messaged them saying, please ensure safety of package because I'm a big collector. I'm not a big collector, but I'm a very passionate collector. So yeah, this is amazing. Oh my, I can't believe I got my hands on one of these. So guys, this is the PSP 2000. The special edition Crisis Core. Wow. Gosh, I hope the corners aren't too jacked up with this film that's on here. Shrink wrap. Apologies for the Cheeto hands. I was eating Cheetos earlier. Okay. And I promised the seller that if they did a wonderful job that I would promise to purchase more. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of this dent right there. I'm not sure what happened. Might have been a little too tight in that box, but we'll see here. Get this all off. And these are very hard to come by. Brand new. These are extremely expensive. Wow, check that out, guys. And this reminds me of like a shoebox, you know? Wow, that is so cool. Alright, now for my thumbnail. Let's see if I could do the thumbnail. Let's see if I could do it. Alright. Okay, let's get crack-a-lackin' on this unboxing. Alright. So we got some of this stuff on the side that they put. Wow, they do a great job on making sure everything is nice and neat. Thank you. Let's see here. So here is the blade, the keychain blade. And I was thinking of putting this in my Integra. Or wearing it. That is so awesome. Alright, we got some more cushioning in here. Thank you for the wonderful job. And there is Crisis Core. Let's see if I could bring this light in a little closer. So the problem with this set is that the game does not work. For Japan only. And I do have another Crisis Core. It's a different variation. Don't know how this stuff works, but happy to have this as part of my collection. Nice, has the booklets. And so yeah, this game does not work. Definitely will test that out later. Whoops, whoops, whoops. There we go. Okay. This is my first, this is crazy because this is my first ever inbox. Well, not my first ever, but part of my collection right now is the first PSP 2000 inbox. I already have a 1000 white and black. Y solo me falta el 3000 y 2000. That is so cool. All that Japanese. Man, that is so awesome. Love this box. This box is in like pristine conditions, like brand new. Look at that. Oh, love it. Just the way I wanted it. And I paid, I forgot, a little over 200 bucks for this, so very happy. Alright, doing again a wonderful job with the details. Look at that. Here's the power cable. Let's see, we have the PSP manual, Japanese. Thanks again. And a special included in this box that a lot of people might not know, but included are the special Crisis Core earphones or headset. And I see a lot of bundles out there that is missing this headset, and I did not want to buy one without it. And it just would be incomplete. I don't care if it's pre-owned. I'm very happy to have it, and these are very hard to come by. And these are brand freaking new. Wow. See that? There's the logo. Final Fantasy guys there. And it's a retractable headset. so awesome. Yeah, one of a kind, guys. Only made for this bundle. Only way to get these PSP headset. Looks like it was kind of open awkwardly, but it's all good. As long as I have it, I don't care. Okay, now for... Let's take this off. Let's go like this. Now for the rest. Let's see. This is the AC adapter. Again, wonderful job. And here is the PSP. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oops. That completely torn off like that. And from the looks of the picture, this was in pretty close to mint condition. There we go. Probably gonna wrap it up again like that and keep it in there. Damn, that is clean. Check that out, guys. Here, I'm gonna lock it so it doesn't move on me. Focus on my camera. Check that out. I don't see any chips. And on the back, there is a lot of scratching over the ring, but the deal that I got, it's no big deal. Look at that. That awesome artwork on the back. I don't have very good lighting in this room. Final Fantasy 10th anniversary, and I got number 41952. Sweet. And there was a little bit of fading on the bottom. No big deal. And this did not include a battery, so he said that, or this person said that it works perfectly fine, but the battery was just not included. Alright guys, I found a battery for this, and we're going to test this real quick. Hope you guys are enjoying the unboxing video. And let's see. We got a charge on that baby. Let's turn it on. That's nice. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to charge it, but looks like it's working just fine. Charging, no problem. Alright, so we're gonna test that Crisis Core here real quick. I have my PSP 3000. Let's check it out and see what happens. That looks good to me. Let's start it and see if it goes all the way in. It's a little noisy, but it's going. Oh, and it even says 10th anniversary. That is so awesome. Yep, this is a long start. Looks like this thing is working, man. Pretty happy about that. And the warranty sticker has not been tampered with. Screws look good. So yeah, always wanted this limited edition PSP, and now I have it. I'm so happy, guys. Check that out. First of many. I guarantee it. I'll be collecting as many as I can. I absolutely love this console. But I'm very poor compared to some other collectors. But you know what? We'll make it happen one way or the other. Oh, I think I have this thing backwards. But yeah, I want to keep this thing pristine condition. In pristine condition. Now I do have a... Gosh, I don't know if I like this tape on there. I am going to test the game right now. It's another PSP that I have lying around. So we'll do that real quick and see what's up. But they sell multiple PSPs, so I'm sure that what they're saying is true. And I did bid on another one, and I offered about $170 for it, and they accepted, which was great. But I noticed that the headset was not included, so I went and asked the seller to please cancel so I can get the one with the headset, and they were very happy to do that for me, so thank you again. Let's put this back in here. I think I have everything the way it should be, just like that. And I don't know if the seller did this or it's part of the package, but whatever it is, it's amazing. And I guess the PSP is gonna have to go like that. There we go. And let's test out this game and see what's going on with it. I hope my battery's charged. That would be a bummer if it wasn't. Oh, I guess it's the white one that needs it. Gosh, I gotta put this white PSP away. It's starting to get yellow on me a little bit. Charge? Awesome. Uh-oh. Wonder what that means. Probably dead battery. Yep, dead battery. Damn it. Alright, well, I'll have to test this some other time then. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this new PSP in my collection. And I'll be cataloging everything that I own and try to figure out, do maybe an update video of like my collection and let you guys know what I have so far as far as all this go. Whoops, I forgot to put this in. But thank you guys so much. Make sure to go check out Lucky Anzu Cat or Lucky Anzu Japan. Thank you again for this lovely letter. I will keep it inside the box. Thank you so much. I'll have to go back and put the manual in the PSP box. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. We'll see you on the next one.